Now in the next topic of matrix, types of matrix. Okay, we have different type of matrix here. In the first type of matrix is row matrix. जैसा कि नेम से ही क्लियर है, रो मैट्रिक्स. रो मीन्स if a matrix has only one row that is called row matrix. कॉलम कितने भी हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but only one row. Okay, example of this is only one row. Then I will write here A, B, C in this small letter. It means one row and 3 column. Second example I will write B is equal to 2 minus 5. In this time again one row and 2 column, and C is equal to, I can write here 3. It means one row and 1 column. Clear it? A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. In general we can write Aij and 1 into n. N is the number of columns here. Same for the column matrix. A matrix which has only one column, that is called column matrix. Then I can write an example same in this way. Same example I will write A, B, C. In this time 3 horizontal line and 1 vertical line. Then 3 into 1. It means one column. B is 2 minus 5 means 2 rows, 1 column. C is 3 means 1 into 1. In general I can write here Aij, column is 1 and row any. Then m into 1. M is the number of rows. Third type of matrix is here square matrix. We know in the square length and breadth are equal. In this type, if the number of rows are equal to number of columns, then that matrix is called square matrix. Generally we can write if m equal to n, means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Now I can write here 3, 2, 5, 1 minus 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 5. Now in this time 3 rows, 3 columns, rows and columns are equal, then means it is square matrix. Second I can write here 0, 2, 1 minus 3, then 2 into 2. C I can write 3, this is 1 into 1, means rows and columns are equal. Sometime in the question is written here a square matrix of order 3. It means 3's are the rows and 3 are the column. Okay, now you can note here. Now next type is diagonal matrix. To write the diagonal matrix, first matrix is a square matrix, then we can write it is diagonal. Okay, और इस टाइप से भी लिख सकते हो, a matrix is said to be diagonal matrix is row and columns are equal. And next definition, otherwise you can directly write a square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix, means matrix that is square said to be diagonal if its non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements, I can write an example here. Suppose this is 1 minus 2, 3. This is a diagonal and this diagonal is called main diagonal. And non-diagonal elements are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. First matrix should be square matrix. Second example I will write here 5 minus 3, 0, 0. 2 into 2, and third is 3. This is 1 into 1. I can also write here first matrix diagonal 1 minus 2, 3. Suppose this is a diagonal matrix, means this is a diagonal elements and rest are 0. Same diagonal B, 5 minus 3, diagonal C, 3. Clear? Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix, for write the scalar matrix, it must be a square matrix. A square matrix is said to be scalar, means this is again square matrix. It is said to be scalar if these elements are equal, means main diagonal elements are equal and rest are 0, then it is called scalar matrix. For write this, I can write here minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 and rest are 0, then this is called here scalar matrix. Clear? Now you can note. Now in the next definition, identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix means a square matrix is said to be identity if its diagonal elements are 1 and rest are 0. Means diagonal elements, these are 1 and rest are 0. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं a scalar matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if its diagonal elements are 1, क्योंकि स्केलर में भी इक्वल तो होते ही हैं, तो इससे एक कंडीशन तो ये हो जाती है कि एवरी आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज ए स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. ओके, सेकंड आई कैन राइट 2 into 2 order 1 1 0 0. 1 into 1 order I can write 1. This is 2 into 2 and this is 3 into 3. It is denoted by I, identity matrix. Okay, order 3 matrix कई बार तो ये लिखा होता है I3, कई बार लिखा था आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 3, उसको I से ही डिनोट करते हैं. 2 into 2 को I2 से भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं, इसको I1 या I लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, अ मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी जीरो मैट्रिक्स इफ इट्स ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर जीरो. दिस इज अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ जीरो मैट्रिक्स. इसके लिए स्क्वायर होना कंपलसरी नहीं है. इफ इट्स ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर जीरो देन इट इज कॉल्ड जीरो मैट्रिक्स. Another name of zero matrix also here, null matrix. Okay, now if you want to write the order here, then check here, horizontal lines are 2 here, vertical lines are 3, then its order is 2 into 3, its order is 2 into 2. Clear? Now you can note. Now in the next definition in the types of matrix is upper triangular matrix. For the upper triangular matrix, it must be a square matrix. A square matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix if it's all the elements of below the main diagonals are 0. If this is 1 minus 2 5 and below the main diagonal these 3 elements, if these are 0, बाकी 0 हो ना हो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये भी 0 हो सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. एंड द लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स जस्ट रिवर्स ऑफ दिस. अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स इफ इट्स ऑल द एलिमेंट्स अबव द मेन डायगोनल आर 0. दिस इज कॉल्ड द मेन डायगोनल एंड दिस डायगोनल इज कॉल्ड ऑफ डायगोनल. And this one is the main diagonal. Okay, this one main. Okay, lower triangle means above the main diagonal are 0. Means I can write same example 1 minus 2 5 and these are 3 are the above the main diagonal. These are the 0. Rest कुछ भी हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है, but matrix should be here square matrix. Clear? Upper triangular matrix means below the main diagonal are 0 and lower triangular matrix means above the main diagonal are 0. Clear? And next one more is here, equal matrices. इक्वल मैट्रिक्स नेम से ही क्लियर है कि इक्वल मैट्रिक्स इक्वल कब होंगी, जब एक तो इनका ऑर्डर सेम होगा, टू मैट्रिक्स हैविंग द सेम ऑर्डर. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज corresponding elements also equal, then this is called square matrix. मीन जैसे A11 फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का जो एलिमेंट है सेकंड का भी A11 दोनों सेम होने चाहिए, ऑर्डर सेम होने चाहिए. ऑर्डर्स मीन्स दोनों की नंबर ऑफ रोज नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इक्वल होने चाहिए और एलिमेंट्स भी इक्वल होने चाहिए. देन दीज टू मैट्रिसेस आर कॉल्ड equal matrices. Clear? Now in the next question, matrices are given equal. We want to find the value of the variables. If its order is same and corresponding elements are equal, then matrices are equal. In this question, matrices are equal. We want to find the value of the variable. Now see the corresponding elements. Here 4 and here y. It means y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. 5 equal to 5. Okay. Now say in this part, we want to find here x, y, z here. Now first I will equate these two elements. Then 5 plus z equal to 5. It means z equal to 0. Okay. And first element is also equal, means x plus y equal to 6. It is equation first, and xy is equal to 8. It is second. From first and second, I will simplify both the equations. Then I will fill the value of y here. Y value is 6 minus x is equal to 8. Means 6x minus x square is equal to 8. All come in the RHS. Then x square minus 6x plus 8. Factors of 8, we get minus 6, then minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. X is common here, rest is x minus 4 minus 2 is common, x minus 4 equal to 0. Now next, x minus 4 is common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Either x minus 4 equal to 0 means x equal to 4, or x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2 means second bracket 0, then x equal to 2. I can write here, if x equal to 4 from first, then x4, then y2. If x equal to 2 from first, then y equal to 4. It means we have the two options here, x equal to 4, y equal to 2, z equal to 0. या फिर x equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 0. Clear? Now third part also equate the elements. This is for your homework, DIY, do it yourself. Now say in the next question, matrices are given equal and we want to find the value of A, B, C, D. To find this, first I will equate the elements here. First is A minus B equal to minus 1 and A 2, 1 are equal, then 2A minus B equal to 0. I will simplify these two equations first, then subtract the equations and change the sign of the second line. This is minus, then become plus and minus. These two are cancelled out. Minus A equal to minus 1, it means A equal to 1. I will fill A equal to 1 in the first equation. Then from first, 1 minus B equal to minus 1 minus B equal to minus 2. Then B equal to, we get 2. Same, A 1, 2 elements are equal, then 2A plus C equal to 5. Value of A is 1. Then C we get 5 minus 2, we get 3. And A 2 elements are equal, these two, and fill the value of C 3, then we get 9, D 13, then D equal to 13 minus 9, D we get 4. Clear? Now see the MCQ question. If Aij m into n is square matrix, in the square matrix we have the condition here, if the number of rows is equal to number of columns, then matrix is called square matrix. Then if m equal to n, then in this case matrix is called square matrix. Now say in the next, which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices are equal? Means which value of x and y here? Then I will imagine here these two are equal and find the value of x and y. First, 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 7 upon 3. And y equal to second equal, then y equal to 7, and from the third we get y plus 1 equal to 8, y equal to 7, and fourth one is 2 minus 3x equal to 4, then minus 3x equal to 4 minus 2, then x equal to minus 2 by 3, means x equal to minus 2 by 3, y equal to 7 is here, but x minus 2 by 3 does not satisfy this condition. अगर यहाँ फिल करते हैं तो 0 नहीं आता, मीन्स यहाँ x की 2 डिफरेंट वैल्यूज आ रही हैं, y तो सेम आ रहा है इससे, देन इट मीन्स इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड. Next is number of all possible matrices of order 3 into 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Now in the 3 into 3 matrices we have here 9 elements are here. Each element should be 0 or 1. Okay. Now this question we will do in the permutation way. A11 को हम 2 types से fill कर सकते हैं, either 0 or 1. Same, each element is filled in the 2 ways, either 0 or 1. Okay. Now if the matrix is complete, then all the possible way come in the multiply, then we get total number of matrices are here 2 into 2 into 2, it come 9 times. When 9 times 2 multiply, we get 512. Clear? Now you can note.